Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nanjing Lu or Nanjing Road, which is Shanghai's premier shopping street. This is 3.4 mile long, and in the end of this video or in the end of the street, we will be visiting Shanghai Bund, Shanghai's most recognizable symbol, which is along by the Huangpu River, where you can see Shanghai Colonial buildings and traditional buildings. So in Nanjing Lu here, or Nanjing Road, it is a place where traditional and modern meets. You can find modern shopping malls, high-end shopping malls here that sells high-end brands like Tiffany, Dunhill, Zara, Mango, Omega, and there are still many more other high-end brands that sell their stuff here on the street. But there are also traditional stores, department stores that sells silk goods, jade, embroidery, wool, and even clocks. So we can shop a whole lot of different kind of things in this street. So at this time, it is winter. There are a lot of snow. It's a beautiful scenery too, because as you can see, the building here are remarkable. The building here is not only traditional but also modern at the same time. So these are the example of traditional department stores, and right now we'll be visiting one of the most packed store in this Nanjing Lu. This is actually a supermarket or a department store where you can buy snacks, wine, traditional snacks of Shanghai you can bring home. As you can see here, there are a lot of varieties of food and snacks here. And we also bought the China's wine here. There are a lot of choices to buy wines and spirits here. Going out from there, we have to keep walking because it's still a long way to go to Shanghai Bund. But don't worry, because on your left and on your right there are many small stores like fashion stores and then cosmetic stores that you can visit along the way. There are also many hotels here if you want to stay around here, but it's more expensive than usual. So you can see the buildings here are gorgeous. It's a perfect place to take pictures. And this is at the center of Nanjing Lu. You can see many high level buildings around here. There are malls and hotels that you can see from far. And this is a popular spot to take pictures, where you can take pictures with I Love SH from Giordano. And in the middle, you can buy the banana milk, Korean banana milk here. They open a stall here. It's very popular milk here. And you can also eat the duck here, which is popular. Well, while watching my video, don't forget to click subscribe and don't forget to give me a lot of likes. Also, hit the bell for notification when I update. I'll update 2 videos every week. Thank you for subscribing. These are the high-end brand like Zara. There are also banks here. These all are the real buildings from the Colonial era in Shanghai. As you can see, the buildings very European-like, which is really beautiful. you can see, this is the detail of the Colonial buildings. It's the Nike store, but it's a real Colonial building. It's beautiful, right? Feels like you are in Europe, but also in Shanghai, China. It's amazing. Right now I'm going to visit one of the department store here, the modern one, inside this Colonial building. So this is it. It's very classy, high-end department store with the big elegant crystal lamps and many kind of high-end brands here like Lancome. And then as you can see, they have a lot of floors, and this is the real deal. They have that curvy elevator, which is unique because we don't have it in Indonesia. If you go out, you can still see there are still a lot of stores here, and you will be able to find the underground food court around that street. There are lots of good food, guys, like squid satay, goat satay, steaks, pasta, crabs, prawns, Korean food, sunimbuchike, bibimbap, japchae. There are a lot of varieties of food in this underground food court. You should check it out. After eating, if we go out from the food court, underground food court, and walk a little bit further again, we will find the Omega building, which is located just at the opposite of the Shanghai Bund. So you can see that is the Pearl Tower and that is Huangpu River. And here we are in the Shanghai Bund. So you can see there are many colonial buildings, European buildings, big buildings that are used for big companies like AIA, Omega, and this is Huangpu River. It's a beautiful scenery here. There are a lot of people taking pictures here. There are the Pearl Tower. There are many ships at night. You can see all of the lights around at the Shanghai Bund. It's beautiful. If you bring your great camera, don't forget to take pictures here, because this is the icon of Shanghai, the Huangpu River. And this is how you can go to Shanghai Bund in Nanjing Street. Just take the metro line 1, line 2 or line 8 and get off at People's Square, 人民广场. Or just take the city sightseeing bus line 1 and get off at Madame Tussauds. Yeah, Madame Tussauds is located at one of the shopping malls in the Nanjing Lu. So that's how you can go to Nanjing Lu. And if you keep walking, at the end, you can ask people where's Shanghai Bund. They'll show you Shanghai Bund or Waitan at the end of the street. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like this video right now. And see you at my next video. Bye bye!